Good morning, everybody. It's my Saturday nature walk, but right now it's snowing. It's snowing quite a bit. Look at all that snow. See, there's lots of snow. It's blowing. It's -9, but it must have snowed a couple feet of snow. Yeah. That's quite kind of hard to walk when there's this much snow. I have to keep checking for cars. I don't want to get ran over. So it's fun to get out, even when it's storming like this. Here, I'll switch it so you can see. See the front view? It's blowing. Not very many cars out today. Yeah, because you'll get stuck in this snow. Look. Okay. See how much snow? See, it's windy. See how red my cheeks are already? Kind of chilly. You could probably hear the snow under my feet. Okay. I don't think I could walk very far today because all the sidewalks are covered. Snow, the roads, they're covered. Yeah. I don't know if I could go anywhere. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's too deep. Look at all the snow. Hey. Can't go down that way, see? That way. Okay. Might be a short video today. Yeah, it's hard to walk. There's nowhere to walk. Yeah, there's no paths or... Oh, there's a little path there. Maybe I'll go there. I'll try. Oh, no, that's just somebody walking. I can't go there. I'll get stuck. I guess I can. I'll try. I just don't want to get my boots wet. Oh, jeez. Hey, just blowing. See the flag there? All the paths are, you can't even walk on the path. I think I just have to go home. See how much snow? Yeah, I think I just have to go home. But I'll walk home. I'll walk this way. I'll try to. There's too much snow there too. See, look. It's like 3 feet. I think that's the end of my video then, if I can't go no farther. I'll show you one more time. Hey, there's the flag over there. But it's too deep to go anywhere. There's the church. There's the hospital. Yeah. There's me. Oh, see, somebody's stuck over there. See that truck? That's how bad it is. Too much snow. Alright, that's my video for today, I think. I better get home because I can't walk. There's 2 feet of snow all over. Okay, bye. Bye.